So Dave, you mentioned you need a couple of tyre levers for, now you've got a Husky 701.
Yeah, so Nugget and I are on 701s for this Cancer Darwin trip. Yeah, so what I wanted, if you've got something, is some light tyre levers that are really useful, maybe, hopefully dual purpose.
So what I'm thinking, the Motion Pro, now what they do is a tyre spoon, so they're a bit soft on the rubber and preserved from pinch flats.
Yeah.
But your bike, you need a 27 and a 32 for the 701.
Ah,
so
right.
this will do the front and rear axles and your tyre levers, right? They're nice and light. Just come over here for a second.
Yeah.
So I just want to show you, basically, feel the weight of that. Now that's your 27. That'll do your front, and then your rear is the 32.
That's light.
Super light.
It's like got helium.
And like, but they're super strong. So you can see how thick they are. So
yeah,
they can take a fair bit of a beating.
Yeah.
So a pair of them.
That's excellent. So Nugget with one.
You've got your tyre levers and your wheel removal all wrapped up in one, mate.
Mate, that's brilliant. And then what we'll have is just an extra long tyre lever just to kick it over the line, and with those.
Yeah.
Mate, thanks. That's brilliant.
Hey, Motion Pro. Thanks, guys. Whoops.
They look like they double as a spoon too.
T6 combo levers.
Yeah, we can have these. No, we can use these for our camp food.
Yeah,
Our
double as a
dried meals.
spoon.
Yeah. Excellent.
All right. Cheers.